What? Oh yeah, well, too late now. He drove right by. Alright everybody, continue out the vlog here. It is raining cats and dogs here, halfway between Tagbilaran, maybe halfway between Tagbilaran and Hagna. Stopped one side of the road to take a look at the ocean. Yeah, so up the road here, we got the ocean here. So it's apparently it's a low pressure system, and there's this real neat lookout place. So take a look, and you know, there's lots of garbage. Wow. Okay, so that looks very sketchy, so we're not going that way. We'll go up top. Little structure looks quite neat. It's not slippery. It's a good thing. Alright, there we go. Except when you walk on the tiles, it's slippery. Not sure what this lookout thing is. I'll put down below what it to find out what this lookout, his name is. Just on the coastal road off of Mindanao, or not Mindanao, I'm sorry, thinking about our home, coastal road in Bohol, after we visit the Ching's Calamai. Later on I'll put a mess, or oh my god. Later on, I'll put a link up there, up at the top or below, saying which video to watch for Ching's Calamai. It's very, very, very short video, but it's still interesting. I am soaked right down to the bone with the shirt already. It is raining hard. That was like super exciting to go up there and take a look. I always wanted to see that when we drove by the first time. And you gotta be careful when you're crossing the road, because found out in Bohol, nobody stops for nobody. There we go. Well, here's the car we're renting, but I'm not saying where we rented it from, because the guy doesn't want us to know, or want us to post it. So, this how it goes. Says, "You're so wet." Well, she's quite observant, isn't she? Okay, Fritz, can you say hi?
Hi, say hi.
Kumusta? There.
Very good. Yan.
And Rihanna, my niece, and everybody knows Maricel, right? Yeah. If I can get Mare back. There's Mare back. Sister-in-law. All right. Yeah, I am soaked. Right on.
You need this one?